Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Celine. As you can see, I'm coming up to you with my bare face. I have no makeup. I'm going to be doing no makeup slash everyday glam. Okay, you guys, I decided just to take a break and let my skin breathe also a little bit. Of course, I do makeup outside YouTube, but not that heavy that I used to. I love heavy dramatic look, and this makeup I've been wearing every day. I've been wearing for a couple of weeks now, and I'm so loving it. Most interesting part, guys, of lately, your Celine, your baby girl, she loves to highlight a cheekbone like crazy. But of lately, I don't know what's come over me. I'm a chameleon. I don't know what's come over me. I'm not highlighting my cheekbone for now. Let me just slow down, girl. Let me just tell you the place I highlight of recently: the bridge of my nose, my inner corner, and my brow bone. However, if I'm in the mood, but just my inner corner and the bridge of my nose. It's like the finish, the finish of my makeup when I don't highlight my cheekbone. Sometimes when I go to my Instagram and scroll my Instagram and I see my photos, I'm asking my girl, are you for real? Is it your highlight? Are you the one? I'm saying, yeah, I'm the one. But anyway, life turns around sometimes. The most exciting parts, let me tell you, I'm going to be using Fentybeautiy concealer, and the sad side of this video, I only found the darker shade. I found the darker shade. Fentybeautiy, why do you do this to me? Why, guys? I'm that kind of a person. When I want to buy something what is trendy, I must make sure I will use that thing for long. Not just because it's trendy, I'll buy it. No, it wasn't expensive. It was €24, which is a very affordable price. Anyone can afford it. And for the setting powder, it's not pricey, it's not expensive, for my opinion, don't get me wrong. Okay, it was €35, super affordable, right? So the reason why I took the darker shade, because I didn't find my shade. I found 20 shades lighter than my skin. Normally when I'm using concealer, 3 shades at least, maximum. Highest concealer, the maximum shade I can get, maybe 4 shades lighter than my skin complexion. I don't want to buy concealer just because it's trendy, because it's Fentybeautiy. No, and I'm not going to be using it. I'm a concealer junkie. I love concealer, I love foundation, I love setting powder. But I say, okay, let me lie low. I take the contour shade, which is darker shade, and this one is 470, and for the foundation I'm in 420, and for the setting powder I took hazelnuts. Yeah, hazelnuts. I'm going to use all the products I use on my daily basis when I'm doing my everyday makeup. Only these 2 products is going to be new in this video, but the rest products I've used it. You guys have seen me, I use it every day. And this palette, this kit, I'm not going to be saying this is palette because it's a very small thing, so I'm going to say this kit's eyeshadow from Too Faced. I love it. It's very friendly, travel friendly. I love it a lot. It's very compact to travel with, and the shade, you can't go wrong for the shade. So I've been carrying this kit right here everywhere I've been over the couple of 2-3 weeks. So with that being said, without any further ado, for primer, this is a primer I'm using, YSL. So yeah, anyway guys, if you're interested, you want to see how I put very simple everyday glam look together. This is really simple. It's not dramatic like you call it everyday look. And if you haven't subscribed, please show me some love. Hit the subscribe button, and beside the subscribe button you will see a notification. You will see a small bell beside. Please hit that bell. If you don't hit that bell, you cannot be getting any notified video from me that I have a new video. Please show me some love, okay? Kit right here just to do my brow. I'm going to be taking this shade. You guys have seen me use this a lot, but before I do that, I'm going to be using this Airspun loose powder. I'm just going to set my eyebrow. You guys know I do this every now and then, so yeah, because I have an oily brow. Yeah, and my eyebrows, they are quite doing good. Okay, they are doing very well at the moment. They are doing very well. Taking this brush right here. This one is by BH Cosmetics. It has no name. I just want to do everything today. I just want to rumbling with you guys, just to talk and chat, you know, just to. I didn't even brush my brow with spoolie. Anyways, we are still going to make our way out. This makeup, guys, is super duper simple. At the snap of your finger, you are good to go. I love this makeup a lot, especially I don't highlights. The finish is just something else. Just give me that baby look, you know. I'm just going to use to blend the front of my eyebrow so it can look a little bit realistic. Concealer, I always use this Urbandecay all nighter full coverage concealer. Foundation, this is what I always use. Since I start using this foundation to clip my eyebrow, I don't even use it on my face anymore. This is my Holy Grail. Just going to apply 2 pumps like so. Just that I'm better off right here without you. This look is so simple. Any simple look, I think, is very fun to create, because you're not going to be having to mind and be curious, you know. You're just going to do your thing and then you take your leave. YSL face primer. I'm going to be applying 2 pump face. Guys, lately I've been breaking out. I don't know why. I am breaking out here, like I don't know, but my skin is doing well. Just this area was really breaking out a couple of days now, but my skin is really breathing well. I need any face setting powder, so I'm just going to be taking the Fentybeautiy Pro Filt'r foundation. I'm just going to be applying 1, 2, 3. I'm going to be using this brush by NYX Cosmetics. This one is called Professional Makeup Brush. I'm just going to do it like so. Dab motion to apply your foundation. With that, it's going to give you extra coverage, and make sure you blend one side before. So guys, normally I will set my face with a face powder, but this foundation is matte already, so we don't need extra matte. I still need that dewiness to go ahead and highlight under my eye. Like I said, guys, I didn't find my shade when it comes to the Fentybeautiy Pro Filt'r concealer, so I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Mercier Focus Flawless Concealer. Okay. So guys, I'm curious. I'm going to be using the Fentybeautiy Pro Filt'r concealer, and I'm using the shade 470. Myself, my name, forgot about all you tried. The smell is like cream, you know, natural cream product. We're using this Makeup Factory contour brush. This shade is a bit red, guys. It's a bit red. Coverage, guys, it's a full coverage concealer. It's a full coverage concealer, okay, in case you want to purchase it. It's a full coverage concealer. Unfortunately, I didn't get the concealer, but anyways, that is not the end of the line. Anytime I lay my hands, I'm still going to buy it, because I really want to try the concealer, the lighter shade. This concealer, this darker shade, just differentiate the shape of my face. I like it, and it's red. I like the fact that it's red. Find a way to get the concealer, the lighter shade. Of course, it's a concealer. I must find a way to get the lighter shade. I must find a way to get the lighter shade. Can you guys see that? I must find a way to get the lighter shade, of course. So I'm going to blend my concealer. I'm going to be using the retouching sponge, the one I used to dab my foundation earlier on. This is the concealer, L'Oreal Mercier. This is the concealer I've been using for quite some time now. When I mean quite some time, 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm going to be setting my face. I'm going to be using the shade I'm going to be using is Hazelnut, and I really like the fact that it has this extra compact space that you can always pour the powder in. It is super duper cute, guys. It's very cute, look very, you know, look very luxury, but for the price, 35 euros, it's not bad, guys. It's not bad. It's very affordable for plastic security reasons. So just like so. Guys, I think this shade is for extra for my whole face. I don't want to ruin my makeup. Let me use my Airspun, because that one is my skin complexion shade. So let me use my Airspun under eye and my eyelid. So I'm going to be using the powder to set all over my face. Bronzer. I'm just going to bronze in Ebony. Forgot about all you tried. Going in with this MAC blush called Razing. The powder is a Fenty Pro Feature Color, just to set all over my face. And now I'm living on the line. It's good. It's good. You know what I'm saying? It's good. It's good. The finish of this powder right here, I love it. This shade called Love Pit. I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid, okay? All over my eye. And I'm using this BH Cosmetic fluffy brush. To blend the edges, I'm going to be taking the shade. This shade right here is called Peach Spice. This one right here. I barely have anything on my eye, but I just want my eye to have a little bit of definition. So that's it for my eye. I'm just going to go in and line my waterline. I'm using this Maybelline automatic gel liner. For we are better apart from all the pain, distant like the stars above. I'm going to be taking that shade called, the one I apply all over my lid, which is called Love Pit, and I'm going to be taking a smaller brush. I'm just going to use that to buff that on my lower lash line. I knew I'm better off right here without you. I can't really tell which smell this powder has. I can't really tell, but it's not smelling bad. It smells very, very rich. It smells rich. That is what I have to say. It smells very rich. Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. Much. Always close your mouth, okay? So guys, while my makeup setting spray is fixing and setting my makeup in place, I'm just going to go ahead and prepare my lashes. And I'm going to be using the lashes I'm going to be using today is this Fima mascara lashes. This looks like very, very beautiful. So to highlight my inner corner, the bridge of my nose and my brow bone, I'm going to be taking this shade called Plum Fawn. This one right here. Plum Fawn, right there, there, and a bit of glam. Brow bone is popping. Mascara, I'm going to be taking Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Without you. Everything is just working for my good today. Hallelujah. Somebody shout hallelujah. My lips, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution lip gloss called Proposed. So guys, that's pretty much it for this everyday glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nothing too crazy, nothing too dramatic. My makeup can still look simple, but I want to look snatched and look dewy and look popping and look, you know what I mean. If you watch this video to the end, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It means a lot to me. That shows me, that tells me as well that you guys enjoy this look. If you want to see something neutral like this, feel free to leave a comment section below as well. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? my final thoughts on these two products that I just got, with this Fentybeautiy Pro Filt'r concealer and powder and setting powder. Guys, hands down for these two products, hands down. Unfortunately, they sold my shade out so fastly, excuse me. So yeah, that is the only disadvantage of this product. Other than that, I'm loving the packaging, and for the price, I must confess, super affordable. 35 euro, 24 euro. What more do you want? This is kind of a luxury product. Very good, very good. As you can tell, my face is very matte and look very fresh. This powder right here is a very full coverage. It doesn't shade at all. It doesn't shade. You know, there's some kind of powder you apply on your face that will shade, but this is not shade at all. What I mean by shade, it doesn't look scanty on your face. When you just apply it there, it just cover the thing you want to cover, the spot or whatever you want to cover. Likewise, as this darker shade concealer right here, it just covers everything. It just give you that bronzy look. You know, I said it the time I apply it. That is my final thought. I love this. I'm going to be giving these two products right here, this Fentybeautiy, 9.5. Sorry, that is how much I love these products. I love them. I'm going to be using them, okay? Only when it comes to palettes, I'm not really into trendy palettes, but when it comes to foundation, concealer, I had to give it a thought, and which I did. So I got me one, and I'm happy. No long talking. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, ciao. Bye.